And we're going to go through how to get the LensAdvisor button showing up on your collection page. So the first thing that we're going to do is take a look at the LensAdvisor FAQ, and we can scroll down to how can I show LensAdvisor on home and collection pages. Let's open that up, and it gives you some instructions about how to get this done. So the first thing we need to do is go to the theme and make sure that LensAdvisor Quick Buy is enabled. So let's go over to Shopify. I'm going to our theme right here, and I'm going to click Customize. In the left-hand side, you'll see that there's an app embed section. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to make sure that I turn LensAdvisor Quick Buy on. So I verified that's on. And now the next thing I'm going to do is modify the theme code wherever we would like this button to inject. So we're going to just copy this, and we need to put this where the card product is being rendered, or where this product is being rendered. So in this theme, I'm going to go over to this one, and I'm going to edit the code on this theme. Now, I already know that the main collection is this liquid. It may be different in your theme. So this is what controls this page. And I'm going to scroll down into this until I find where these products are being rendered. And I can see that it is here. It renders this card product template, and it's passing in some variables. One of the important things that it needs to pass in is the collection and the product. We need these two things to be passed in. So if collection is not being passed in, you do need to pass it in here. And then in the card product itself, we want this to show up underneath the button. So let's scroll down until we can find where the button is being rendered. So scrolling. I see the product form. Here we go. So I can see the button is here. This is the quick add submit button, and I want to be just after this button. So what I'm going to do is paste what I have just copied from the FAQ itself. And I want to make sure that this gets rendered correctly. So we are going to do a couple things. We are going to make sure that we remove these backslashes. That is one of the things that we say to do in this FAQ, is to remove the backslashes. Basically, we couldn't get it to display on our website without them. So we're just going to remove them one by one, and that should then allow these variables to work correctly. So as you can see, it's creating this LensAdvisor Quick Buy element on your page, and each one of these data attributes is being filled out by either the product, which is this, or the collection, which is this. Okay, that should be enough to render this. Let's save it and see if it does. So I'll come over, refresh the page. Perfect. We'll see that it's showing up in slightly the wrong spot, but this is just a bug. I actually think we then need to cut it from here and put it, yes, after the button itself. We put it inside the button. So I'm going to save that. Refresh this page. And now we should see that the LensAdvisor button is showing up. Each one will be a different sort of flow depending on the settings that you have, and inside of the LensAdvisor flow, it will pick up those settings for each of these buttons. So now any product that you have LensAdvisor, any product that you have assigned in LensAdvisor will now show up here. All right, good luck. Contact us if you have any questions.